Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Mehman from Matiari. Today, I teach you the correct usage of pronoun in English grammar. How the pronoun is used correctly, I will teach you this in today's lesson. Number first, please look at these sentences. Ali saw a gold ring lying on the ground. Ali picked the ring up and put the ring into his pocket. Ali saw a gold ring lying on the ground. This is the first sentence. Now, in the second sentence, Ali picked the ring up and put the ring into his pocket. Again, the noun Ali and the ring are repeated. So, to avoid repetition, we use pronoun instead of noun. Pronoun. Pro means for. Noun. Pronoun. For noun. Ali saw a gold ring lying on the ground. In the first sentence, there is a mention of Ali and ring. But now, we will not use Ali, noun. Instead of noun, we will use pronoun. Ali is male, so we will use he. He picked the ring. The pronoun for a ring will be used it, because it is a lifeless thing, inanimate thing. He picked it up and put it. Again, this is a noun. We will use pronoun it in his pocket. This is a male. Ali is a male, so we will use the pronoun he. But if there is female, then we will use she. Asma saw a gold ring. She picked it. Understand? Now, second point. The pronoun agrees with the noun for which it stands in number and gender. Look at this sentence. Ali is my neighbor. He is my friend. Here, pronoun he is used for Ali. Ali is male, gender is male. The pronoun he is used. Ali is in nominative case. The pronoun he is in nominative case. Now, second, Asma is a girl. She is clever. The word she is used for Asma. Asma is a female, gender is a female, feminine, so she is used. If there are plural nouns, for example, the boys are on the ground, they are playing. They is used for boys. Boys is plural, so we will use they. The girls are in the classroom, they are reading. The girls is plural noun, we have used the pronoun they. The boys is male, masculine gender, we used the pronoun they. It is also, they is used for both masculine and feminine. The boys are playing on the ground. The boys are on the ground, they are playing. The girls are in the classroom, they are reading. For both masculine and feminine, we can use they. Now, collective pronoun. The committee gave its decision. The committee is a collective pronoun. If the collective pronoun is considered whole, we will use singular pronoun. Here, the word its is used for committee. Committee is considered as whole. But when the collective pronoun stands for individuals, then we will use plural pronoun. The committee were divided in their opinion. There is the word there is plural. The committee here, committee means the members of the committee. In the first sentence, committee is considered as whole. So we have used pronoun singular. In the second sentence, the committee is considered for individuals, different individuals. So we used the pronoun there. This is the second usage of the pronoun. Now, the secretary and treasurer did not do his duty when two nouns joined by and stand for same person. We will use singular pronoun his. The secretary and treasurer, these are two nouns, but the person is the same. Person is one. These are the two posts of the same person. These are two nouns, but person is one. So we have used the pronoun his. Now, third point. When two or more nouns are joined by and, we will use plural pronoun. As look at this. Ali and Ahmed are neighbors. There are two nouns, Ali and Ahmed. They are good friends. We have used the pronoun plural, they, not a singular. In the above sentence, we used a singular because person is same. But here persons are different. So we will use plural pronoun, not singular. Second sentence. Ali, Ahmed and Afzal are students. There are three nouns. They are in the same class. Ali, Ahmed and Afzal. These are three nouns. They are joined by and. The pronoun is used plural, they. Now, next point. If two nouns are joined by and there is the word each or every before these nouns, the pronoun will be singular. As this, look at this. Every singer, singer is a noun. And every actor, actor is a noun. Played his role. His is a singular pronoun. Because these two nouns, no doubt they are joined by and, but there is the word every before both the nouns. If there is word each or every before the nouns and they are joined by and, we will use singular pronoun. Understand? Thank you. Now, if the nouns are joined by and, not and, either, neither, or are, the pronoun will be singular. Look at this. Ali or Ahmed has not done his duty. The two nouns are joined by are. The pronoun will be singular. Ali or Ahmed. Means one of the two has not done his duty. Now second, either Ali Are Ahmed. Here either, or, neither, nor. The pronoun will be singular. His duty. Either Ali or Ahmed did his duty. Means one of the two. Either Ali or Ahmed. One of the two has done his duty, did his duty. So the pronoun will be singular. Neither Ali nor Ahmed has finished his work. Same case. The pronoun will be singular. If there is neither nor, the two nouns are joined by neither nor, either or, then pronoun will be singular. Understand? Now, look at these examples. First person, second person, third person. If the two pronouns are joined by and, the sequence will be, look at this sentence, you and I must go together. First second person, then first person. We cannot say I and you, it will be wrong. First we will use second person and then first person. You and I. You and I. Not I and you. If there is a second and third person, then first we will use second person and then third person. You and he must work together. Not he and you must work together. It will be wrong. Understand? Now, third person and first person. First third person, then first person. He and I must eat together. Not I and he. Ali and I. Ali is third person, then I, first person. First person always comes next. If the first person and second person are used, then we will use you first and first person I second. If second and third person are used, we will use you first and he third person second. Here can be he or she. If third person and first person are used, are joined by and, we will use third person first and first person second. He and I. Ali and I. Now, if there is a companion between noun and pronoun, look at this example. Ali is stronger than I. Ali is stronger. I am also stronger. But Ali is stronger than I. Not than me. Me is objective case. Here Ali is a subject. I will be subject. I am. I am stronger. I am strong. Ali is strong. But Ali is stronger than I. Not me. Asma sings better than she. Not her. Asma sings, she sings, but Asma sings better than she. He worked harder than I. He worked harder, I also worked harder. I, not me, I did. He worked harder than I did. Look at this. He loves her more than me. Here me is used because he loves her. Her is objective case. Me will be objective case. He loves her. He loves me. But he loves her more than me. So he loves me. Me is objective case. He loves Look at this example. He loves her more than I. Here I is used. He loves her, I love her. But he loves her more than I love her. Only I. We will use only I. Now, next. Same is the case in comparison with as. He is as clever as I. He is clever, I am also clever. He is as clever as I am. He knows his duty as well as I. Not me. He knows his duty, I know my duty. He knows his duty as well as I know my duty, I do. She gave as much money as he. She gave money, he gave money. She gave as much money as he gave. So we will use he, not me. I love you as much as she, not her. I love you, she loves you. I love you as much as she loves you. Now, I love you as much as her, not she. Not she. I love you, I love her. I love you as much as I love her, not she. There is objective case. Now, next point. It was I, not me. It was I. It was he, not him. These things are for you and me. Here, objective case will be used. These things are for me, these things are for you. These things are for you and me. Me is objective case. Between you and me, we always use objective case. Between is preposition. If there is preposition before pronoun, the pronoun will be in objective case. Here use in objective case, not nominative case. Between you and me, he is a rogue. We cannot use here I instead of me, because I is a subjective case, nominative. Here we cannot use nominative case. He told Ali and me, not I, because Ali is object, the pronoun will be object, not a subject. To go there. Who stands at the door? I, not me. This is a question. Who stands at the door? I stand at the door. So the answer will be I, not me. Thank you very much.